Hey you guys, Angel checking in with a real brief video to show you how a bag vacuum cleaner works. It could be a bag or it could be a filter. This one actually has the bag. All right, so first thing I'll show you, I'll open it up and I'll actually show you inside here. This one has a vacuum cleaner bag. It says Allergen Bag. All it means the holes are smaller, but they clog up even quicker. And if you come over a little closer and take a look what's inside there, that's anything and everything from cat hair, dog hair that you're sucking up. Could be food crumbs. If you take a look, it's pretty nasty. So what's happening is every time you vacuum, you put the dirt back into the closet. So stuff is growing inside there. And that's why the vacuum cleaner puts out a smell, because you're taking your air, as bad as it is, and you're running it through dirt that's been stagnating inside that vacuum cleaner bag and also in the closet. So that's the first problem. So it has a filter. So this filter, if you magnify it, it looks like that. So like a mesh window screen. So the little dust goes out, the big dust actually clogs, and that's how you lose suction. Now, if you look inside here, it actually has a secondary filter. These are kind of silly. Look at this. If you notice, so these holes are very small. It is still leaks dirt out. But take a look at these. These holes are actually a lot larger. So if the little holes are not catching all the dirt. Certainly bigger holes are not going to catch the dirt either. All right, so that's on there. Now this particular vacuum, in addition to that, also has, let me put this right back in, it also has the HEPA filter. Okay, so the problem with a HEPA filter, take a look at this one. The problem with a HEPA filter is that they're right, it leaks less. The problem though is because the holes are actually way smaller, they clog even quicker, so you lose efficiency, diminishing the power to pick up the dirt out of the ground. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this back, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn the machine on here. All right, and when I turn the machine on, you might be able to see some of the stuff coming out. Matter of fact, for this part, Raymond, we'll actually in a second shut the light off, because this is a bright light, just so you can kind of see more of the stuff that's actually coming out of the vacuum. All right, so if you can do me a favor, turn that light off over there on the switch. All right, so let's take a look. So look between the light and the exhaust. Come on in a little closer, and sometimes you can see the air coming out. Let's take a look. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So you can see the dust coming out. Okay, now watch. Without the light, you don't see it, and you definitely smell it, and that's the problem with a regular vacuum. To sum it up, what happens is 4 parts to a vacuum: intake, motor, filter, and exhaust. The problem with the bag is that it's porous, air goes through, dust comes out, and then second thing is that it actually clogs. And that's why we recommend the rainbow cleaning system. You guys have a great day.